Okay, students, let us continue our switching theory and logic design subject, lecture 26. And now this concept is a 6-variable K-map. 6-variable K-map. So coming to that 6-variable K-map, so how many squares you can form from this 6-variable K-map? So from the 6-variable K-map, the number of squares you can make 2 power 6 squares, where 2 power 6 is equal to 64. So 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, so 4 2s are 8, and 8 2s are 16, 16 2s are 34, 32 6 are 32 2s are 64. Totally 64 squares you are getting in this group, right? Next, coming to here, totally 64 combination of minterms or max terms are available. So why I have highlighted this minterms with the white color? So I am writing here the minterm values, right? In this slide I am writing the minterms values. So see here, I have written this total 64 combinations of minterms. So see here 64 combinations are available. If you want, you can use as minterms. If you want, you can use as max terms. That is your choice. So in this slide I have written total minterms. In the next slide I have written max terms. That is also I will explain. Now see here. So coming to here, M0 to M15. So that is, we know, for the 4-variable K map we are representing here. If you are taking for example 6 input variables, that is A, B, C, D, E, F. Total 6 variables, A to F. Coming to that, the last from LSB to 4 variables, C, D, E, F. So I have represented C, D, E, F. I have represented here C, D, E, F. Here I also represented C, D, E, F. Here also I represented C, D, E, F and C, D, E, F. Totally in these 4 boxes I have represented C, D, E, F values. Coming to here, before this C, D, E, F values, the AB value is equal to 0, 0. So for the first 16 combination, the next 16 combinations are running with 0, 1, and the next 16 combinations are running with 1, 0, and the last 16 combinations are running with 1, 1. That is from 0 to 15 here, next 16 to 31 here, 32 to 47 here, and 48 to 63. Total 0 to 63. Total 0 to 63. Total 64 combination. The 64 combinations we are starting from 0. If you are starting from 0, the ending value is 63. Total 64 combinations we have represented here. It's very simple thing. You have to remember total 64 combinations we have represented here. These are the min terms. Now we will see with max terms also. Before going to that, so see here how to represent a value in this 6-variable K map. So when you are going to explain the concept, when you are simplifying the given problem with the 6-variable K map, you have to draw complete this diagram. For example, see here I have taken a value M29, that is minterm 29, minterm 29. So coming to the value of this one, what is the CD values? Now see here I have written this variable for C, D, E, F. Coming to the CD values are 1, 1, and coming to here EF values are 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, the EF values. So that is 1, 1, 0, 1. So you see here I have written in this box 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1 I have written. So before that I have to write the AB values. The MSB values for the box is AB is equal to 0, 1. So the first 2 digits I have to write as AB. AB value is equal to 0, 1. The remaining value you have to consider from its row value and column value, that is 1, 1, 0, 1. So the final value 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1. So see here 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1. So this is the final value. So convert this binary number into decimal. Convert this binary number into decimal. So what is the equivalent value of this one? 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1. Okay. So that is 32, 16, 32, 16, 8, 4, 2, 1. We know that 8, 4, 2, 1. But before 8, 4, 2, 1, you have the value 16 and 32. So in the place of 32, the value is equal to 0. Remove. And 16 is there, 8 is there, 4 is there, and 1 is there. 16 plus 8. What is the value? 16 plus 8 is equal to 24. 24 plus 16 plus 8, 24. 24. Next plus 4. 24 plus 4, 28. 28 plus 1, 29. Totally 29. So the binary equivalent of this M29 is equal to 29. Right? So why you have represented this is M29? Because of we are representing the 29th value here only. So the decimal value which we represented here, the binary value, both are same. Okay. Next, coming to that, how to represent this one? So the first position value is equal to A. So A is equal to 0. For that you have written A bar. Next B, C, D. Next E bar. Next F. This is the min term identification. If you want to write, you can write max term also for this, right? So now I am representing the max term here. So coming here, the max term for M29, the max term is equal to, if it is 0, we are representing A, and if it is 1, we are representing that complemented form, that is B bar. So see here, A plus B bar plus C bar plus D bar plus E plus F. Okay, no, I have did a mistake here. So this is not correct. B bar, C bar, D, E, F bar. F bar, we did the mistake. Right. Now it's clear. Right. So coming to here. So A, if it is 0, you have to write down A. If it is 1, you have to write down A bar. Here, if it is 0, you have to write on A. If it is 1, you have to write on A bar. So here 0 is available. See here, in this 0 is available, I represented A. If it is 1 is available, B bar, and 1 is available, C bar, 1 is available, D bar, and 0 is available, A, and 1 is available, F bar. So finally, the maximum for this combination is for M29, capital M29 is equal to A plus B bar plus C bar plus G bar plus E plus F bar. So this is the max term representation. This is the max term representation. Next, coming to here. For the 6 variable K map. Now I am taking one more example of what we have discussed in the 4 variable K map. So in the two different groups, M29 and M61, the same location values we are representing. We are making a group. If you are making a group, then you have to take the AB values 0, 1 and AB is equal to 1, 1. In these two, which value is differing and which value is non-differing, you have to identify, and you have to write down the non-differing value. In this AB 0, 1 and in this AB 1, 1, A value is differing and B value is non-differing. It is not differentiating from this square to this square. So you the final value is equal to B, and remaining value is nothing but as that square representation. The square representation, it is nothing but as CD. Next, this is E bar F. CD E bar F. You can write down CD E bar F, and so see here, I have written here CD E bar F. I have written CD E bar F. I have written, and coming to that, before that B value is common. I have written B value. I have written B value. Next, coming to here, I have taken one more example. Now I made a quad here and I made a quad here. Two quads I made here. From these two quads I have to write the function. So what is the value from this quad for only CDEF? So CDEF. So C value is equal to 1 for this. So C is not differentiating, and coming to here from these two columns. That is F is not differentiating. So the value for this quad is nothing but as a CF, right? CF. Next, coming to that A value, B value. Coming to here AB value is 1, 1, and coming to here AB value 1, 0. So the A is fixed. The A is not differentiating and B is differentiating. So take the A value. Okay, take the A value. So A and CF, A CF totally from this from this quad. Actually, we made here a oct group, that is 8 group we have formed here. 8 group we have formed here. From this 8 group, I have written ACF. I have written ACF. This is the finalized min term. This is the finalized min term. Next, coming to that, here I am giving an assignment to you. An example problem. Simplify f of A, B, C, D, E, F is equal to sigma of 6, 9, 13, 18, 19, 27, 29, 41, 45, 57, 61. These are the values. These are the min terms I have given. Why? Because I have represented sigma. So when I representing this value as sigma, these are the given values are min terms. So these min terms you have to identify from these tables, and you have to make a group. Okay, and I'm giving the answer here. See here, solution f of abcd if is equal to, this is the finalized solution. What I'm asking, you have to solve this problem and you have to show the finalized output. Whatever the output I have given here, you have to prove that your answer and my answer both are same. My answer and your answer both are same. You have to represent. So this is about 6 variable K map. Thank you.